Hello guys, welcome to the Hive production. Before some days, one of my subscriber asked me or requested me to model an electronic product. So today I'm gonna model electronic coffee machine in 3D Studio Max. So let's get started. First of all, I have a 3D Studio Max and I'm gonna take a rectangle and I will draw a rectangle which is approximate 1 by 1 feet. You can call it 12 inch by 12 inch. And now I'm gonna center align them and I'm gonna right click on it and give them editable spline. Just go to their vertices, select their corners and go to the fillet to create some smooth edges or curved edges from the corners. That's okay, but I'm gonna make them extrude as well and give them a height 1.6. And I'm gonna convert them into poly, and now I'm gonna take edge tool and I will just select these one and add the edges, approx 20 edges. And here the same thing, I'm gonna do this with the all corners. I'm gonna delete these extra, I don't want them, so I'm gonna select the top edges, hold control and backspace to delete these edge. Okay, so how about this one? Select the both edges, make them connect to a 20 edges. That's perfect. And now I'm gonna take vertical edges selection and make a connection of single one edge, and then you may put them here and I'm gonna make them chamfer. So just go to the select in chamfer. Chamfer will distribute them into two edges, and now I'm gonna select the center edge, make them ring, hold control and select polygon and then extrude. So you can see it will extrude inside of it like in minus position. So this is the basic shape of my coffee modeling. I'm going to select them all, make them insert by polygons like this, a little bit lower value, yes, and I'm going to make them extrude by polygon, local normal extrude outside of it, little bit outside of it, just creating some interesting details. So these are the details. Top side is a plain side and the down side is one detailed side. I'm gonna go to the polygons, make them insert. After inserting, just make them extrude inside. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna select edge and I'm gonna call these, select these edges, the borders of edges, and we'll go to the chamfer. So it will chamfer something like this, and I'm gonna add some more edges like this to create some more pure smoothness. So as you can see, they are smooth. And now I'm gonna take cylinder, simple cylinder, and I will draw a cylinder here. And put them here from the front. So I'll increase the size of the radius, and that's perfect. But moreover, I'm gonna increase the sides, 60 sides, to create some more smooth. I'm gonna convert them into editable poly, and after that I'm gonna take polygon, select the polygon, make them insert a little bit and also extrude outside of it. Here it is. Now hold control and select edge, make them chamfer. Perfect. And add some edges like this. That's perfect. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do my next step is this. I'm gonna take a rectangle and I will draw a rectangle from the top viewport like this to create the base of this coffee machine. I think this is okay. I'm gonna convert them into a spline. select their vertices from the back and all the vertices. Select all the vertices, make them fillet to create some smooth corners, and then you make them extrude, but not this too much. This is too much. I'm just gonna give them more 2 or 3 inch. I think that's okay. Okay, scale down their height. Don't want too much height. Here is the base of my coffee machine. I'm gonna hold shift key and make them duplicate by dragging mouse. Select their vertices. I'm gonna select these vertices and okay, first need to down their sizing like this, then go to the vertices, put them properly here and select the here from the right and left side both, and now just select like this. So what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna isolate this part, only this part. Just make them a rectangle first. I will draw a rectangle like this. Okay, convert them into editable spline. Right clicking, select their vertices and make them fillet, and take the duplicate by holding shift key and drag your mouse. So I'm going to take the duplicates, okay, select all of them, duplicate here. Perfect. So what am I going to do? I'm going to first place this base according to their shapes. So bring it on the top, bring it on the top, on the same line, in the same line. I think that's okay. So now I need to go to the option which is called attach and attach these all the shapes. You need to attach these all shapes, and after attaching you will see a different result and extrude. So it is become a grill, grill as which is normally can seen in the coffee machines. It's a grill on the coffee machine. So I'm going to place it down here like this. Perfect. So moving to our next step, I think we should play with some sizing elements. I think put them here, increase the size of the scaling, and now I'm going to take rectangle from the top. I will draw a simple rectangle like this to create a place for the milk. So I'll go to this spline first, select their vertices, the same process, just select the vertices, make them a fillet, and after making them fillet you just need to go to the extrude. When you will extrude them, so it will going to be height, increase your height like this. But I think we should play with some more sizing, and I'll do it on the vertices. I'll select the vertices, spread down here, and also we need to scale up their milk glass size. Yes, that's good, but it hides too much, so we need to decrease the amount of the height. That's good. Okay, so I'm going to convert them into poly by right clicking and give them each, select these all the edges vertical and add some simple connection here and make them chamfer, and delete this extra edge inside of it. Select their edge, hold shift key and control polygon, extrude, inside extrude. Select their polygons, make them chamfer first, the top, and increase their segments. That's perfect. And here it is, the same process, just go to the chamfer and gives him smoothness on the edges. Well, unhide all the elements, and I'm gonna put this one on the top like this. Here it is. I have a simple coffee machine model. So I'm gonna hold shift key and drag your mouse to take these duplicates. Scale down there, rotate first, and scale down their size. Scale down, but not too much. It's just gonna become the top button of my milk glass. That's good. So I need to increase their scale size like this, but decrease their height. That's good. Alright then. So furthermore, we just need to set their vertices according to their define. I'm gonna take duplicate by holding shift key and drag your mouse. I'm gonna take the polygon, delete the top polygons because one is my glass and the second duplicate is going to be my milk, which is going to represent quantity of milk in the glass. So I'm gonna put inside the milk is inside of the glass, and take their vertices and set them according to their corners. Also take the border, select off and make them cap. So this is the basic 3D models is ready. I'm gonna add some more details. So here it is, and draw a rectangle once again from the back, from the top side but the back side. I convert them into splines, like their vertices, make them fillet to create some smooth edges and make them extrude. Perfect. This can give them height first, and then you just need to convert them. You only need to convert them into a double poly. Select their edges, the vertical edges, and make them connect, the two connection. Perfect. And now select the edge, hold control and select edge, and make them chamfer. Chamfer will create some smooth edges, increase your segment. Perfect. And then select your polygons, select the center one, make them detach to create some separate. And that's perfect. Unhide all the elements. You can see the basic model of your coffee machine. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna select another duplicate of this grill by holding shift key and drag the mouse, and another duplicate. Okay, so this one, all this spline is going to be delete except the borders. That's perfect. And I'm gonna select their main element, put them here, select their vertices and decrease their width like this. That's perfect. And now I'm gonna increase the amount of your extrude. That's too much. That's good. Okay, so we will place this duplicate grill on the top of this square object, but we also do the same thing. I'm going to isolate them first, put them here decrease their scaling size and delete their extra spline elements, which I don't want. Perfect. Put them here. I think another duplicate can be adjusted. Perfect. Select their vertices, decrease their length, and take the spline inside of it. Perfect. So here's my grill is ready. I'm gonna put this grill on the top, and yes, so now what am I gonna do? I'm gonna take the duplicate once again of this portal cap, and I'll rotate them first, scale down their size but increase their height. Placed in the another duplicate, decrease their size by scaling, rotate them, and also is perfect. Just give them vertices and give them a proper height. Alright, I'm gonna make them a group, is called nozzle, and then you just need to place this nozzle in the glass of this corner. So I'm gonna place this nozzle according to the direction that you can provide milk inside of your cup. So I'm gonna open the group first. We'll set the local and directions, and that's here. It can be a proper direction. Yes, the milk can be easily coming inside of it, the cup. I'm gonna add some each in the center of the nozzle and put them here and make them chamfer, and select them polygons and then extrude inside. It's just for the designing elements, just not necessary to create this kind of a chamfer edges. Okay, fine. So what am I gonna do? I need to have a cup first. So I'm gonna take line tool, draw a simple line like this. Okay, take their vertices first here and make them fillet to create a smooth corner. Make them lathe modifier. When you place the lathe modifier on this, my cup is going to be ready. So this is my coffee cup or coffee mug, and we have done this in 3D Studio Max with the help of lathe. I'm gonna select this spline, make them outlines to give some depth detail inside, and I'm going to take vertices from the top side. I'm going to make them fillet to create some smooth edge of this cup. So here it is, my cup. My cup is ready. I'm going to take the line and I'll draw a handle of this cup. So when you will do this, so you will have to place this one and make them select the vertices, make them fillet first, and take this spline, make them outline to create some great outlines for the handle of the cup. So what am I gonna do? I just need to take the extrude modifier, but before that we need to see where is my cup and their handles. So I need to take out from the body shape here, and as you can see, these all the details are missing. So I'm going to increase the segments of this cup so it becomes so smooth, and I'm going to apply extrude modifier and the handle of this cup. So we have applied this extrude modifier, and you can see the handles is looking very beautiful with the cup. So my cup is ready. I'm gonna unhide them. Oh, sorry. We need to select. We need to select them and bring it on the front. So here is the cup. Here is the milk handle, and on the top there's a coffee button. So here it is. I just need to do this, that we need to go to the V-Ray setting first. As you can see, there's the V-Ray setting on your computer screen. Follow just these instructions. And now I'm gonna go to the V-Ray settings, observe properly, and after that I'm gonna go to the V-Ray material, and after V-Ray materials I'm gonna take simple bitmap, and I have a plain dark gray color. These are the my textures. Let me show you. This is my plain dark gray color. This is the coffee logo, and this one is the top menu of the coffees. So here is my plain dark gray texture. I'm gonna apply this and also give some reflections with 0.85 glossiness. So this is my base color. Okay, so here I'm gonna take my another video material and we'll give them a little bit gray color. Reflection has to be high, and remove the check from the funnel. So select the grills and apply them. Also select the top and also select the nozzle. Open the nozzle, and only this part. I'm gonna select the polygons here, and that's it. That's perfect. And I'll take this back one as well. From the top, I'm gonna take another V-Ray material and give them top name. Go to the bitmap and take this machine menu. So here it is. You need to apply UVW map modifier, so you can see your menu is available on the top. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna go to the another V-Ray material. Give some reflection first. I think 70% with glossiness 0.85% or 0.8. Okay. So we need to take another duplicate of these materials. I'm going to give them name logo, and I will take out the texture of logo. Here it is. So apply UVW map. That's perfect. Okay, so let's talk about this cup. I'm gonna convert them into poly and take the polygons. Select the center polygons, only center polygons. Apply the same logo and place UVW map. So you can see our coffee logo is available here. And place this logo a little bit, put them downside. So we have the logo, we have this all proper things. I'm gonna close this. Okay, so my coffee machine is almost ready. I'm gonna work on the glass of the milk. I'm gonna import and merge wire, because this wire is just an option, not a necessary thing. So I'm gonna place the wire of the coffee machine, which I've downloaded from the Google. So just rotate this wire. And put this wire like this. Okay, so same thing, that we just need to go to the material editor and apply the same black color here. Also open the group first, select their charge pins and apply chrome color. Close this group first. Okay, so let's work on the glass of milk. I'm gonna make them group. It's called coffee machine, and after that I'm gonna import and merge the Studio Light setup. Studio Light setup, you can get the link in the description, and the Studio Light setup is totally free for you guys. You can see my turbo squad. Here is the Studio Light setup, which is totally free. Let me show you the renders of the Studio Lights. Is totally free, and you can see their beautiful lighting inside of it. So let's go back to the coffee machine. I'm gonna zoom in the camera, place it on here. Okay, we just need to place according to their camera so we can see. I'm gonna go to the material editor and I'll find out their color should be white or a little bit grayish background. So this is background properly, and what am I gonna do? I just need to open the group, and I'm gonna go to the material editor and I will create a media material. We'll give them a little bit white color. Reflection should be a little bit, but refraction should be high, properly white, with some 0.89% glossiness. And I'll take the polygons. I will take the polygons, select these polygons, apply. So it has become my glass. And inside of the glass, you can see there's a texture. It is the models. I'm gonna give them white color to show that there's a milk in the glass. That's perfect. There's a milk in the glass, and I'm going to close this group, and here I'm going to take the texture render so you can see there's a beautiful render of this coffee machine. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this, so subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Thank you so much.